I can't break. My favorite line in a bad song. You feel just right when it's all wrong.
Alright guys, welcome to the video. I am Dr. Leanna, owner of Chiropractic, and starting out today with some protein pancakes, Kodiak cakes. That's what I usually always use for my protein pancakes, and add a little bit of extra stuff, but going to eat this up. This is kind of a day in the life. I'll probably have an adjustment thrown in here as well, but I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna hit the gym. We got a lower body day today. Alright, so I'm on my way to the gym. Had to pick up the package. New Chiropractic swag. So if you're ever interested in getting some apparel, just go to chiropracticgym.com. So this is a hoodie. I actually had to turn on the heat and the heated seats this morning because it's like 60 degrees. It's kind of cold. So a lot of this stuff that I get in the mail is just sample stuff that I try before I actually put it on the website. So this is just let's see if you can see that, just a hoodie, which is simple Chiropractic logo, and then the Move More slogan on the back, so that's pretty cool. Except see, like I already see a flaw with this, and it's hard when I design it because like this Move More was supposed to be a lot bigger and lower because the hood is gonna go over that. So I swear though that I put this a lot lower, but oh well. And I think I got a tank top too. Let's see this. And again, this is just simple too. A racerback tank, so that's pretty sweet actually. This is a woman's cut, nothing on the back, just on the front. And also I'm planning on releasing the ebook cookbook later this week. I hope I should. I've been working on it for quite a while, and I'm a perfectionist, so I just need to release it. Okay, at the gym now. I'm gonna start out like 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, and I like to do some type of cardio. One, before I work out to get warmed up, but two, I can knock out a little bit of work, like reply to messages, emails, and then do some social media posts. So it's kind of nice. It's relaxing too, so that's why I like to do it. And then we're gonna hop into a lower body day. I'll probably film some clips, not a whole lot, because usually at this time there's a little bit more people. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna crush it.
Don't know how, but I promise that we're gonna make it somehow. I'm all in, it's from the heart again. Open up your mind.
So something really fun, something hilarious happened this morning. I found out that the website developer I used is like no longer a thing. Every time I try to type in my website, there's an error, and there's like, it doesn't connect with the server. So, which means I wasted a whole lot of time building that website, paid a lot of money, and I can't get it back because I tried to reach out to the people and all the emails bounce back. So that's really, really cool. But that is life. Just gotta roll with the punches, I guess, as they say. So, which also sucks because I was gonna release my cookbook, which I can't do because I was gonna put it on the website. So it's just gonna have to be pushed back a little bit because I have to make a new website, put the cookbook on the website. Also, I can't do the apparel stuff because, again, it was on the website. So that's just not cool because I don't have time to build a whole new website and I don't want to pay someone to build it. So, yeah, it's the next day. I am about to go to the gym, blow off a little steam. It's been a busy week, but it's been a good week, so let's get it done. This will almost be the end of the video. I'm gonna show some adjustments a little bit later, and then that will be. You guys, if there's anything you can take away from this video, is that shit is gonna happen in life. If you think something's happens and it's so terrible and you think your life is over, it's not, because something else is just gonna happen. So a lot of times, instead of like getting worked up, like the whole website thing, it's like I could be pissed off at the company and like make excuses and just be frustrated with someone else. But it's like I don't even take, like, I'm not even mad at the company. I'm just like frustrated that it happened, you know. But it did happen, so there's nothing you can do about it. You just have to move on, and that's how you should approach everything in your life. If something happens, just learn from it and move on. There's no point in dwelling on something. Like, it's just a waste of time, to be honest. If you're the kind of person that always makes excuses, it's never your fault, you're always blaming someone else, it's a really crappy attitude to have. And I'm telling you right now, it's not going to get you anywhere in life. Just to be completely honest, you need to just take responsibility. And at the end of the day, it's on you. It's not on anyone else, and no one cares that you're blaming someone else or you have these excuses. No one cares. So it's like, at the end of the day, you have to get your stuff done and just stop making excuses and just like go with it and just put in the work. So that's a little bit of harsh truth, harsh reality. So we're gonna get in this workout, no excuses, and just get it done and rebuild the website. It's not a big deal, you know, if you really think about it in the large scheme of things. It's not a big deal. A lot of things that happen are not really that big of a deal. Like, you will move on. It will be okay. Okay, so we got Killa K here. I'm gonna show you guys how fast you can actually get a whole series of adjustments done, head to toe. I'm guessing like three minutes. Okay, ready and go. Face down. Anything hurt?
Something on my left side kind of did, actually.
Like low back or upper back?
No, upper, and kind of like my grip on.
Yeah, I could kind of feel that too. Oh, that hurt you, Justin. Drop your shoulders. Oh my. A little bit there too. Head up for me. Good. You got some hot stuff going on there too. And this side first. You're definitely twisting your pelvis. It doesn't matter. Did I already go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, other side. Did I go? Yeah, that's what I thought. I didn't know if that was a tape or not. Let it drop. I can see the mosquito bites on your
Oh my god, it's so bad.
ankles.
I can't wait for it to go away.
They itch bad?
Yeah, I got attacked on Friday,
No.
which I didn't feel.
Yeah.
Till the
weird.
next morning I woke up. It was so weird. They're like really bad. Like, I think I'm just like really sensitive to
I think so
insect
too.
bites.
Those are babies for you.
Those were.
Okay, sit up. Let's do your shoulders too. I think we're gonna beat it. Good. You can just tell you have healthy shoulders.
Hey.
Give a little bounce in there. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Wow, how do you feel?
Woohoo!
Same as always. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. The only reason I did like the adjustment really quick was because she had to get back to work in like 10 minutes. So, head to toe adjustment in under 3 minutes. There's actually a lot of chiropractors that practice that way, just like kind of filter people in and out. I don't normally do that, but some people just want to be adjusted real quickly and get on with their lives, and that's perfectly okay. So, I'm gonna enjoy this Zevia. Actually, if you guys haven't tried these, they're like no sugar, no artificial sweeteners, 0 calorie sodas. They're pretty good. I'm gonna do this and try to rebuild my website, so wish me luck. Give the video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do so now. I would say check out chirofitgym.com, but it is no longer in existence. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.